Dave is headed out for his first solo flight today. It's been a while coming, no fault of his own. His flying has been great. Mother Nature, on the other hand, has not been so great. She's been difficult to him over the past month, either providing us with rain or snow, low ceilings, solar glare, and or a combination of strong crosswinds, making it impossible for him to solo. But today's the day. After making a few scheduled changes to line Dave up with a brief window of reasonable weather, he is off to do what both of us have been wanting him to do for weeks, to take flight as a solo pilot.
Hi, Dave. Can you hear me?
I can hear you.
All right, good luck.
Thank you. Fuel pumps on, everything good. Pre-float check. Laconia traffic, Warrior 405, Sierra Bravo, departing runway 26, close traffic, Laconia. There he goes.
And there goes Dave on his first solo flight. He's worked very hard for this. He's doing well.
Laconia traffic, Warrior 405, Sierra Bravo, turning left crossing runway 26, Laconia traffic. Laconia traffic, Warrior 405, Sierra Bravo, turning left base, runway 26, Laconia traffic. There's the sink.
Here comes Dave on his first solo landing. It's got a nice approach. Coming in to transition phase. Staying over the runway, holding it off nicely. And he's down. Beautiful.
Warrior 405, Sierra Bravo, clear active.
Two more just like that, Dave.
There goes Dave back taxiing for his second takeoff.
This is good. Laconia traffic, Warrior 405, Sierra Bravo, departing runway 26, close traffic, Laconia.
Here goes Dave on his second takeoff on his first day of solo flying. He's up.
Laconia traffic, Warrior 405, Sierra Bravo, turning left downwind, runway 26, Laconia traffic. Laconia traffic, Warrior 405, Sierra Bravo, turning final, runway 26, Laconia traffic. Patrick's Pub.
Here comes Dave on his second approach for landing on his first day of solo flying. Coming in nicely. Definitely have a little bit of crosswind. He's taking care of it. Coming over the center. Nice transition phase. A little bit of float. There he is, beautiful. Nice.
A little rough. Last one's gonna be a good one. Runway fuel pump on. Landing lights are all on. Anti-collision strobe, all that's good. Transponder set and pre-float. Boom, boom, boom. Laconia traffic, Warrior 405, Sierra Bravo, departing runway 26, closed traffic, Laconia.
Dave's lined up for his third and final lap in the pattern. He's up.
Konya traffic, Warrior 405 Sierra Bravo, turning left downwind, runway 26 at Konya traffic.
One more.
Konya traffic, Warrior 405 Sierra Bravo, turning final, runway 26 Konya traffic.
And Dave's making his final landing on his first day of solo flying. Again, another nice approach coming in, very stabilized. Coming into the transition phase. He's holding it off nicely. And he's down. Fantastic job, Dave. Fantastic job.
Could have been better, but I loved it.